have to select your language and press on agree. And where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. So you have to select your country, press on next, press on your Wi-Fi device, okay. And it's connecting, and it's connected. Press on next. You have to select your time zone. So I'm selecting my time zone, +88. So here, Beijing, Kuala Lumpur. I'm staying now Kuala Lumpur, so Kuala Lumpur is okay. Press on next, press on confirm, and now you have to enter your username and password. And if you don't have a create account, then you have to create an account. Actually, put your email address, see, press on register, enter your password. You have to check box this. Press on login. So you have to active it. So hold on, press on start, and this is the guideline, so you can skip. Left adjust gimbal, camera zoom. You can check the video from YouTube. Actually, we upload video for tutorial guide. And go DJI, and in this case you have to turn on your drone now. So this is the press on skip, and hold on, I am turning. I have to turn my on. You have to turn the batteries in my camera. It's also turning on, and same, one click and 2 seconds, and your camera is turning on. My RC remote is also. Press on next, press on join, and press on agree. It's typing done, all done. And you have some firewall update. Make sure you update all. Press on update to update it, and it takes some time. So don't turn off your RC remote or a drone in this time. So once done, you can your drone is ready to fly. You can easily fly your drone with your RC remote. So hope video helpful. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below, and if you have any query, please ask me. And if video helpful, thumbs up and do subscribe to stay with me. Thank you. Have a good day.